Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them base slangers gonna be sorry now. Huh.
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
Families ain't up on...
Don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure. You don't even know what store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Hold your horses!
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What? Yeah, it's on now,
I don't think you know me, homie.
Oh!
Ah!
You want more of this?
Put your nervous system, boy.
Oh!
This cat, he a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Who you think you touching, old boy?
Excuse me, man.
Have you put in work for your hood lately?
Hell,
Come on, CJ. Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Hell.
Ninja these.
You think I got issues?
Get up. Oh, homie. And what's more, you ain't even run out on me.
is that all you got?
when you set up the needle.
Times change.
Oh, man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I warn the gang later. So now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
Not again.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure, though.
Later, homie.